Hey, I'm Denver from Weldos here. I'm just on board the 555cc we recently built, and this is the customer Tim.
Growing up for a majority of my younger years at the islands, just grew up there spearfishing, diving, pretty much everything that you can do at the islands. I love it's a special place over there. Like, I just love going there, and mainly the reason why I wanted a little bit bigger boat, something comfortable and big enough that I can feel safe to go to the islands in. And yeah, I purchased this 55cc about 9 months ago, 12 months ago. Today's the first day we've had out in the water, and yeah, I can't keep a smile off my face. It's everything I've wanted. Ride's awesome. Just plain, like, yeah, hardly any water on inside the boat. Just the power's there, the ride's nice. Yeah, seeing the Denver's 6.5 metre run around, just it looked amazing, and going on it a few times, just seeing how smooth it was, so I wanted to get one myself. Obviously, just me going out by myself like most of the times I wanted something a little bit small, but not too small. So, and I've previously had a 5 metre, so I wanted to go that little bit bigger, so sort of met in the middle and went there 5.5. The reason I went with the centre console build is in the Midwest region in Western Australia, most people like to pull grey pots and go spearfishing and diving and stuff, so that's pretty much everything I want. So I wanted something that I can still have enough deck room and pull pots and put pots down if I need, and yeah, that's why I went with the centre console.
Yeah, we made a lot of the features sort of removable, interchangeable. So the bait board, we can take that off, obviously because the cray pots are pretty bulky if you're swinging them around, so you can take that off. This seat unbolts. Comes with the other big seat with the kit, so we can put that one on with an esky underneath for long trips. But this is just more of a little day seat, and yeah, we'll get a cushion made up for the full width of it. And yeah, it'll be perfect with no backrest, just a little seat to put your bum on. Yeah.
I was tossing and turning only because Denver has got the Honda 150 on his, and just being on that boat, just seeing how quiet it is and how much fuel it doesn't use. I was sort of, yeah, tossing between the Hondas and Yamahas, but I went with the Suzuki 140, and couldn't be more happier, to be honest. I'm so glad I went with it. And yeah, Sun City did an awesome job rigging it all up and did everything exactly the way I wanted it, so real happy with that. And yeah, we got the custom switch panels and that Denver has made, so they look awesome. They're all just a little push, and yeah, everything works awesome.
The sea trial, yeah, it went amazing today. Tim's stoked with the performance of the hull. Really nice soft ride, quiet, it's foam filled, so it made a nice noise dampener. In terms of speeds, we were cruising 4,000 RPM at about 25, 26 knots. Yeah, burning bugger all fuel. And yeah, we pushed it right up to the 6,000 RPM, and we were nearly at 40 knots in, and it still wasn't dead flat waters. So yeah, he's plenty of power on the boat. Yeah, perfect motor for the boat, I reckon. Matched it up well.
Pretty much all that's left to do with it is finish the upholstery on this seat, the other custom seat that we got, a few little cushions at the front just for a bit more comfort for a few more people. I would like to get another big sounder, maybe a 9-inch sounder, so yeah, still got to toss and turn and see which one I want to get. So, but other than that, everything else on the boat is ready to go. Yeah, so we're planning this year, at the end of the year, heading to the Abrolhos Islands, just yeah, taking both boats and hopefully shoot over there for Christmas. And then hopefully next year, April, May, I'd like to head back over there or head up to Shark Bay, Exmouth or something, and maybe go across to Dirt Hartog in Shark Bay and yeah, go over there for a few nights camping and stuff. So yeah, I've sort of set the boat up so I can roll the swag out in the boat as well if I need. That's That's why we've made this all removable, so we can put it at the front and have enough room to roll swags out down here, and it's all set up with electronics for the ingles and all the rest of it. So yeah, I cannot wait to get out in the water more, and I'm more stoked that I could actually work with the builder and do all these custom mods from pretty much just one-on-one, face-to-face and over phone. You know, the process is really easy. CNC made it so much easier as well, like just to be able to supply the boat and for the kit to come as quick as it did and as easy as it was to build. Like, yeah, couldn't be any more happier, and I honestly cannot wait to get out on the water.